Reading Pioneers is proud to present The Teacher in Me, written by Dr. Karen McGowan Dukes, illustrated by Carrie Johnson. Hello, friends! As far back as I can remember, even when I was a little girl, I wanted to be a teacher. I never thought of any other career. Being a teacher was my dream. I even looked like a teacher, at least in my mind, because I wore glasses and carried a notebook with me everywhere I went. I carried a notebook with me all the time. I loved my notebook. I wrote down everything. I even wrote notes to Mama and Daddy when my two brothers were mean to me. Mama, Daddy, my brothers turned off the TV while I was watching it. Mama, Daddy, my brothers took my pencils and made me chase them. My mama told me I always wanted to be a teacher, even before I remembered wanting to be one. Just imagine when I look back over my life. Wow! A little girl acting like a teacher every day, pretending to be a teacher every day. Well, I really played school at home every day. I played school on the weekend every weekend. While at school, when we had recess, I even played school during recess every day. My friends and I would meet to do our homework together by playing school throughout my early school days. I could not think of any other game or did not want to play any other games. I was always the teacher and led my friends through our homework. It was fun to help my friends with subjects they were struggling with and help them understand things better. Well, I needed help sometimes, too. After our homework was finished, my friends and I would just play school for fun. Sometimes, Mama and Daddy would be my students. I loved when my parents played school with me. They would sit and let me read, talk, and teach them anything I wanted. My mama and daddy were great listeners. On occasion, even my brothers would play school with me. I would read stories aloud, teaching math, spelling, handwriting, and coloring. No messy coloring, I would say. There were times when no one wanted to play school with me. However, I had another idea. I would offer them a sweet treat at the end of my class, or offer to do some of their chores. It worked every time. Everyone in my life knew I loved to play school and wanted to become a real teacher. When I played school, I felt like a leader. When I grew older, I started babysitting for families in the neighborhood. I loved playing school with those children too. I was able to help perfect my skill of teaching. The children also learned, even though they thought we were just playing. I loved thinking about being a teacher. I loved acting like a teacher. I loved being the teacher. And guess what? I am a doctor of education, and that's why people call me Dr. Dukes. I made my dream a reality. You can too. The end. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book The Teacher in Me by Dr. Karen Dukes. This was such an inspiring story because Karen knew what she wanted to do and made her dream a reality. For many children, this opportunity doesn't come often, so I hope that those watching today are able to achieve their dream jobs as well. This book is available on Amazon as a paperback and Kindle ebook, so I hope you are able to help support Dr. Dukes and purchase a copy for yourself or a loved one. If you'd like to find out more about the author, Karen Dukes, links to her social media, including TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, are available in the description box down below. If you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. It would also be very helpful to me if you like the video to support my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell to help you stay updated on future read-alouds being uploaded and coming soon. As well, help other pioneers in the search for an inspirational and relatable book. You should share this video with your friends and family. Unfortunately, this is it for today. While waiting for the next upload, remember to visit Amazon to purchase your own copy of The Teacher in Me by Karen Dukes. Additionally, there are hundreds of other read-alouds on my YouTube channel, Reading Pioneers Academy, that you can browse and continue your adventures with me. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.